Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the green screen on Ome TV. Make sure you watch until the end because every step is important. First, open your browser and search for SplitCam on Google. Then go to the official website and download it. Once the download is complete, open the setup file and install SplitCam. After the installation, it will open automatically. Now go to settings, then click additional. After that, rename the virtual camera to HD Webcam G20 or any webcam name you like. Then save the changes and minimize SplitCam. Next, right click this PC and open Device Manager. Then find your real webcam under cameras or imaging devices, then disable it. After that, minimize Device Manager. Now open your browser and go to Ome TV. Then when you see the camera selection, choose HD Webcam G20 or whatever name you use. After selecting it, minimize your browser. Then go back to Device Manager and enable your real webcam again. Then close it and open SplitCam. In SplitCam, add your webcam. Position it however you like, then click the three dots next to the camera name. After that, select Chrome key to remove your background if you are using a green screen. If you don't have a green screen, choose Remove Background instead and save the changes. I will also add the color fill so you can see the effect more clearly. Now minimize SplitCam and go back to the Ome TV tab. As you can see, it's working perfectly. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.